Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use AI image generator Monet application. So first of all you need to install and tap on the open button. Then wait a second. So here consists now loading, and this app is launched by App Nation. So you can see how it looks like. Human Galaxy Astronaut Women. I need to tap on the continue. You can see. So it's not totally free. You have to get all the feature and you have to pay for this. Become an AI artist, unlimited image generations, unlock all style, export without watermark, access advanced option, and weekly accesses you need to spend $5. And I'm just going to cross this time because I'm just going to show you how to use this app. It's pro version and trends style like realistic tattoo, anime, wallpaper. You tap here generated. Now you can describe your creativity. You can give here like women crown and sky fly. I'm just going to type this one and tap on the generated. So generated, but you need to realistic generated. So you're not going to create or generated image free here because it's totally paid. Advanced option. So generate now, cancel anytime. I'm not going to create because it's totally free. It's not totally free. Realistic generated. I just tap okay. So this way you can use this app. You can choose the style, you can generate here, you can history, favorite, wallpaper, and generate, but it's not possible to create free. So today's normal, and see you in the next video.